Welcome to the very first episode of Languages with Liz. Okay, so lesson number 2, Korean numbers. Before this lesson, review Hangul. Check. Number 2, practice writing or typing the phrases you learned in the last lesson. No, I won't do that. Lesson goals. Learn the 2 types of Korean counting systems. Oh my gosh, I'm just nervous. I'm so horrible at counting. I'm bad at counting in English. No, I'm not. I can count English, but like I can't do math. So if there's like thinking and math involved, I won't be good at it. Korean number system. 한국 한국의 숫자. Did I pronounce that right? 한국의 oh gosh, whatever. 한국의 숫자. Star. I'm gonna put a star next to it and ask somebody how to say that. Different Korean number systems. Korean has 2 number systems. They are the Korean numbers and the Chinese numbers. Each one has its specific uses that you will learn as we progress through the lessons. The 2 systems are typically never mixed, with the exception of telling time. Okay, so I will never tell time in Korean because I don't know if I can mix 2 systems, and I don't even know if I can learn these 2 systems. And I'm also horrible at telling time in English. So, here we go. You must know both systems to survive in Korea. Okay, well, that's dramatic, probably. To survive? Like, I'm sure I could survive, but okay. Both systems will be taught in this lesson and reinforced in following lessons. Okay, here we go. The Korean numbers only go up to 99. What do you mean? How do you get past the 99? I guess I'll learn. Let me not go ahead. Number 1, 하나. Sounds like 하나. Number 2, 둘. Sounds like 둘.
Number 3, 셋. Sounds like said. No, it doesn't. 하나, 둘, 셋. Is it a T or D sound or somewhere in between? I don't know. Number 4, 넷. Number 5, 다섯. Number 6, 여섯. Number 7, 일곱. Number 8, 여덟. Number 9, 아홉. Number 10, 열. Hey, that was easy.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Okay, so I can't count past 6. I need to learn that. Past 6 is what I need to learn. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 아홉, 여덟, 열. No, I did something wrong. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Wait, why am I doing that? Oh, is that right? Was that right? Whatever. I don't know. The teens 11 through 19 are very easy. Just add 열, which is 10, in front of single numbers, just like in French. No, wait, that's not right. I think it's like in French. Number 11, 열 하나. Oh, that's cute. 열 하나. Number 12, 열둘. Oh, no, that's a mouthful. 열둘. 열둘. Number 13, 열세. Number 14, 열네. Number 15, 열다섯. Number 16, 열여섯. Oh, these are tongue twisters. Number 17, 열일곱. Number 18, 열여덟. How does anyone say these things? Number 19, 열아홉. No, it's 20. Oh, it tells me. This whole section needs a circle because I don't know what the heck. Combining the tens and singles to make 11 through 99. Now you know every word required to count from 1 to 99 with the Korean numbers. You can make all the other numbers simply by stringing them together. Example, 22, which is my age, is 스물둘. Okay. 45 is 마흔다섯. 마흔다섯. Oh, that's easy. 99 is 아흔아홉. These are like hard to pronounce. 100 and above. The Korean counting system stops at 99. Above 99, you must jump to the Chinese system, which is also called Sino-Korean numbers. All numbers 100 and above will be taught in section 9 through 11. Before you get there, let the first 99 absorb. Oh, it tells me not to, so I have to learn 1 through 99. I don't think I can count that high. First, that means I need to learn. Well, let's see how high I can count. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, 열하나, 열둘, 열셋, 열넷, 열, 열다섯, 열일곱. No. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to end this lesson here because I need to learn the numbers. I can't count past 14. So, thank you for studying with me today. I know it was a little crazy, but that's just because it was the first time I am recording a lesson. I will get the hang of it for sure. Yeah, join me tomorrow for Spanish lesson number 1. And with that being said, I will leave you with I won't leave you with the KK bye because I need to speak Korean. So, 여러분, 고맙습니다. 오늘은 여기까지. 내일 볼게요. 네, I'll say that. 네. KK bye!